I'm Amazon. I'm dying. So many sellers.
What's going on, guys? My name is Giorgio Valenton and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be describing why I believe Amazon FBA is not dead. And if that was one of your main concerns, I will show you the numbers to prove that Amazon FBA is not dead. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? Welcome back to this video. I just came back from the dead, just like how Amazon supposedly is dead. So in this video, I will be discussing exactly why Amazon FBA is not dead, and I have the numbers to show it to you. So let's get into it. So I went ahead and found Amazon's net sales from 2014 to 2017, and these are actual numbers that they report. So Amazon's net sales, and this Excel spreadsheet that I have shows Amazon's net sales as well as their sales growth of how much they are increasing per year and the amount of active sellers. So I couldn't find exactly how many active sellers there are per year, but I did find, according to TechCrunch in 2014, that there are 2 million active professional Amazon sellers. So what I did was I created a net sales to seller ratio just to prove of how much each seller will be taking according to Amazon's net sales. And this is very exciting. And I wanted to make a point of how I made from 2014 to 2018 that there are 1 million new Amazon professional sellers, which I honestly doubt that it increased that much. And so I put here that it increased by 200,000, 200,000, and then from 2016 to 2017, 400,000 new sellers. And the reason why I believe that this is not true is if you look at the Amazon FBA community in itself, many Amazon FBA sellers would continuing love to educate themselves. And if you look at the biggest Amazon FBA YouTubers, their subscriber base, it's not millions. So my point is that not everyone's in Amazon FBA. And this just shows that there's so much opportunity. And even if thousands of sellers come into the market, the point that Amazon's growing at billions. So from 2014 to 2015, they grown 20% in their net sales. And then the next year, 27%. And the next year, 30%. And coming into 2018, hey, they're probably going to grow up 35%. And the reason that I believe is Amazon, in terms of online retail e-commerce, they control 43.5% of the market share. So what that means is Amazon could grow vastly and even control more of the marketplace. Like, let's be honest. How many of you guys have bought something online from Walmart or Target? No, not me. And if it's you, hey, good for you. You should buy it from Amazon, because I buy from Amazon and I sell on Amazon, and that is where people buy. And let's be honest, people buy from Amazon, and people are slowly jumping onto Amazon, and especially Amazon being such a big company, they're slowly going to grow. And the amount of sellers that come into the marketplace versus the actual numbers that they're going to be putting up, it won't even compare. So I wanted to make a point to you that if you want to get started with Amazon and you keep complaining that it's saturated, you can't get into it, it's too late, well, you know what? With that mindset, I suggest you don't join Amazon, because it is not. I would say that it is dead in terms of if you just find a product, you source it from China, bring it into Amazon FBA warehouse and expect it to sell. I think those days are over. I mean, there are products that can sell like that, but it's very rare. But in terms of any product, yeah, that's dead. And if you don't want to put in the work, then yeah, Amazon FBA is probably dead for you. But if you are willing to invest in yourself, educate yourself, do the things that are right, and do things a little differently, where you are different, finding different products, not looking at the different softwares, going about different ways of product research, Amazon FBA is not dead. And if you found this video valuable, please subscribe. I will be making more videos about Amazon FBA, and check out my other videos as well. So just to let you guys know, I'm alive, I'm not dead. Amazon FBA dead. And get started now.